Hi, I'm Sam from Electric Bikes Brisbane, and today I'm going to step you through the beautiful Riese Muller Swing3. And this version is the Swing3 with the automatic gears, a new model for Riese Muller this year, and one we're very excited to welcome to the store. So this has the New Vinci automatic gears by Enviolo, and Riese Muller have also paired this with the carbon belt drive. So what you have is very, very low maintenance and very, very easy to use. No messy chains, no chains dropping, don't have to think about changing your gears, just set your cadence. All you have to do is pedal. It'll choose the gears for you as you're riding along. So, say if you're going up a steep hill, you might need to have a bit more cadence, so and then you just drop it back down again when you get back down onto the flats, but it chooses the gear for you based on the cadence, so very, very simple. Typical of Riese Muller with their detailing, comfort grips, front suspension, balloon tyres, smooths all the rides out, and we've also got suspension in the seat post as well, so you're going to get great grip while you're riding. Doesn't matter whether it's wet or it's dry, cornering's not going to be a problem with the wide tyres. And we've also got the very strong Magura hydraulic rim brakes, pull you up very fast if you need to. Now what we love about the Swing is just how gorgeous it looks with the baskets. It is very much a classic city bike. You can just imagine yourself going to the markets with it. These just click on and click off, so very convenient. You can just go for a leisure ride if you're not carrying anything quite easily. It comes with lovely lighting as well. You've got the supernova lighting front and rear. Riese Muller have put a big effort into their urban range this year, and I encourage you to go to our website, to our community page, and have a look under news, and you'll see just what Riese Muller have got coming this year in the urban range. But this is a beautiful option if you're looking for a classic city bike.